Hello chefs. Today I'm going to share with you a first social site for the chefs. Yes, this is something new. We going to share ChefFolio. What's in ChefFolio? Let's jump into it. ChefFolio is a simple website. You have to log in. I just click login, and after login you have feed page, network page, you have job page, you have leaderboard, you have course and store. So let's introduce feed page. From in feed page you have feed. So on feed you can put your own story, and you can post something, write it down something here in your own language, doesn't matter what language it is. You can add photo, so add photo, select the aspect ratio you want, the size, and save it and write down something. ChefFolio, and post it. Simple as that. So your post gonna be in the first place. So you can like it like that, or double click on picture. You can comment, and you can share in my story then. So this is our feed page, like Facebook. Simple as that. Then we jump on network page. On network you're gonna see some inspiration. You can read it. It's gonna be developed later on, and there's maybe much more will come shortly. And we have two buttons, one professional, one companies. So company can register their company here, and they can post job, they can find right recruiter, and the professional, they can connect each other. Say for example, here's some chefs and some testing account around here, and we can send connect request. I already sent someone connect request. Whoever connected, they will say connected. If new account here, it will show you some blue button to connect. You can click on connect, and you can message them straight away. Click on message, and you may write down something. Say hello to them, hello, and send it over. See, I write in different languages even, so you can write your own language, doesn't matter. So all on your control, and you can like his post, and you can reply whatever you want. So this is our network page. You can build your network. You can be much more powerful. Let's jump on job sector. So the company here, the Pixel Palette, they post one job here. Pixel Palette company posts one job, so I can apply it. Click on apply. Simple. Upload your CV. Let's go. Click. Select my CV, and after selecting CV, you just have to click apply. It's very simple, very easy. Where's my CV? Maybe I lost it. So after the ChefFolio, we don't think we need CV that much. So let me find out my CV first. I'm CV less now. Okay, here I go. A lot of CV. So I upload my CV here. It's gonna be uploaded and submitted. So my job application been submitted to Pixel Palette, and yeah, obviously I have notification bar. See, I applied for job. All right. Then most interesting point here, leaderboard. Yes, that's the amazing point here. You know, so many chefs, they asking themselves, where am I? Where's my position right now? Am I doing good or not? So let's check it out. What's the condition about your food knowledge, your hospitality knowledge, gastronomy knowledge. So in food and safety, hygiene, all of that have different sort of perspective, different sort of view. Some basic question you must know. So we design all in ChefQuest. So in ChefQuest, start your journey. If something come like that, please do refresh, as we developing the software is still. This is beta version. So we transfer into some mobile version for making as a mobile app. This is in web app, so it's gonna be take a bit more time, but it's fine. So what we got? Appoint a ship chef F2. So end of the map, our head chef. Where is the head chef? Apprenticeship 2. So our head chef final exam. So start as an apprenticeship chef. Here basically there is a few more option. I don't know why it's not visible right now, but it will be soon. Here supposed to be comic chef, chef the party in some section for the sous chef. So you know all the section here. So you literally can play the game and test your skill. Let's start with temperature control. Click. You have 300. If you do right answer, you say correct, and if you do wrong answer, then it will say wrong. Let's try something wrong. So it's the correct answer is 63, and you have 3 heart. I already lose 1, and let's lose more for game over. Okay, let's lose more. Okay, I lose all of it. Then I run 30 XP because I score 3 right question, and I back to the map, start again. That's currently our apprenticeship. If you finish one level, another level will be unlocked. Otherwise, it's gonna be locked like Duolingo. So you gonna test yourself. What's your knowledge condition right now? Now I can jump on the course section. Here's another interesting story about the course section. In the course section, you will get a lot of free courses soon. We designing something. So here some paid free. Paid also is still not started. I'm working on it actually. So it's gonna be developed soon. Let's see some free course. This is Navi skill. As it's free course, you have some free video. You can play it.
How to pick a chef knife.
You can be free. So
at least 8 inches, but ideally.
Then you get you have exam. Just you have to answer all the question basis on the video, and after that you will get certificate. So I finished it before. That's why if I check my learning dashboard, I can see what I completed. Okay, so then let's check my certificate. Here's my certificate. Then you can see my certificate. Here's my certificate. So you will get free certificate like that. So well, that's amazing. Okay, let's jump on more. Now, so many chefs are struggling doing food costing, menu designing, menu pricing, beverage cost, labor cost, holiday tips, distributions, so many things. Here you have simple solution. You just click on food costing. You just name your recipe and put your ingredients and how much you're using, how much the price, and it's gonna be calculated automatically. Let's say tea, just simple tea. Then if you put sugar, just random less a random portion and random price. Actually I take as a 5 pound quantity, example 50 gram. See, it's calculate automatically how much per portion cost. So you're gonna add more, you can add more ingredient, you do so much. After that, when you completed everything, you can download the report, download the PDF, and see, you have whole report and it's free. Amazing, right? So that's make your life easy. That's why the similar way you can check gross profit. You have 3 different option. cost to price, price to cost, price to cost again. So you can do it all day, everything. So it's gonna be more calculated soon. Let's jump on next section. Is a lot there. You're gonna check it out, find it out later. So there's a store. So store is still nothing there, but so many. If some sponsor company of you interested puts your product in store, just contact with us. We'll put your product on a store, so you can sell and make some money, like your 3D mold for pastry design or something, or your some product. Then jump on final section, your profile. So view profile, and you will jump on our profile. This is cover picture, nice, and who following me, something like that, about, and yeah, this is the post section, whatever we post early on. So actually all my post, we are testing everything, and you can put your skill, and people can endorse on your skill, people can recommend like LinkedIn. You can put your experience and everything. You can add your language skill stuff. You can do a lot more, much more actually. So then you can add portfolio as well. On click on portfolio. So in post you can write it down something, but you don't want as a portfolio. In portfolio you want something just specific, some your signature dish or some your signature food, whatever you call it, you name it, you can put it here. You can add item, you can add like recipe where you can put step by step, or you can add photo of it. You can do whatever you want. Then you can share that post on your the feed after writing something like, this is my new recipe, share it. Then let's check it out. So you can post on your story as well. So if you click on here, you're gonna see if our first story, nobody view it yet as this is new platform, then it will come second one. So in between this video published, there is a 1-2 small error is gonna be solved soon, as it's beta and some AI inside it had little bit minor error, excuse me for it, but you're gonna enjoy it later on so much. Then you have amazing feature, that's actually CB builder, resume builder. You click on resume builder. So we already fill our profile. Now like LinkedIn is gonna be develop your CV automatically, but it's better than LinkedIn, way more better than LinkedIn. You can change color, you can change style, and if you want you can add more skill, more experience, more education, more training certificate, hobbies, and your work reference, academic reference. You can do all day. Then what can you do? You can download it, download as a PDF, and it's free. You have free amazing professional CV only for the hospitality, only for the chef. Amazing, isn't it? So then if you want to create a company or you are HR of the big company, you can create your own company. Just put your logo on, name, about, location, and a website. Here you go, boom, create company. We did it. All right, and ladies and gentlemen, that's a ChefFolio. Enjoy, and let's bring the change together, something new for the chef, something new for the hospitality. So that's where we can find the right people for the business, and we can build a better network in our own platform, in our own society, community, whatever you say, name it. Excuse me for now. See you shortly.